Religion. The reason we have beautiful cathedrals, stunning mosques, and centuries of wars. But hold on, what if we're looking at religion all wrong? What if, instead of fighting over beliefs, we actually learned from them? Stick around, because today we're diving into how people look at religion, how it causes conflict, and how we can fix this holy mess. Let's go. All right, let's set the record straight. Religion is not meant to be a real-life version of "my God can beat up your God." It should be seen as a personal journey. Think of religion like your morning coffee. Some like it black, some drown it in sugar, and some prefer tea instead. And guess what? That's totally fine. A cultural influence. Even if you're not religious, you can't deny that faith has inspired some of the greatest art, music, and literature. I mean, Michelangelo didn't paint the Sistine Chapel just for the likes. A moral guide, not a weapon. Most religions teach kindness and love, yet people somehow twist them into an excuse for, let's say, less loving actions. Seriously, did the 10 Commandments have a loopholes section I missed? Okay, here's where it gets spicy. Religion is supposed to unite people, yet history shows it often does the opposite. Why? Well, interpretation wars. One book, 1,000 interpretations. It's like reading a recipe and somehow ending up with a pizza when you were supposed to make soup. Religious supremacy. Some folks think their religion is the VIP pass to heaven, while others are in the general admission section. But come on, if there's an afterlife, wouldn't the entry policy be a little more inclusive? Politics plus religion equals yikes. Mixing politics with religion is like putting pineapple on pizza. It causes unnecessary fights. So, how do we fix this? Well, it's actually not that hard if we use some common sense. Interfaith dialogue and education. Imagine if people actually sat down and talked instead of assuming others are wrong. Revolutionary, I know. Keep politics and religion separate. Let politicians do their job and let religious folks focus on personal faith, not running governments like it's a medieval monarchy. Focus on shared values. Almost all religions preach love, kindness, and compassion. So let's focus on that instead of, "my rituals are better than yours." So there you have it. Religion isn't the problem, how people use it is. If we focus on the wisdom, not the warfare, we might actually create a world where faith is about enlightenment, not arguments. What's your take? Should religion be personal? Should it stay out of politics? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Terry's Diverse Horizons. See you in the next video. Until then, stay open-minded and keep questioning.